Press Delete key. Press Shift-A, Mesh UV Sphere. Right-click and choose Shade Smooth. Press Tab to enter edit mode. Right-click, Subdivide. On the right panel, Vertex Groups, click Add, then Assign. Press Tab to return to object mode. Click Modifier, search, Vertex Weight. Add a Vertex Weight Edit modifier. Select the vertex group. Open Fall Off. Set the type to Custom Curve. Reverse the curve by dragging one point up and the other down. Open Influence and add a mask texture. Click the Texture tab. Set the texture type to Clouds. Then in the modifier, set texture coordinate Global. Add Mask modifier. Choose the same vertex group and adjust the threshold. The mask modifier cuts the mesh using the vertex group, creating a broken, fragmented pattern across the surface. Add a smooth modifier. Edges look blocky and uneven on the surface. The mesh is made up of flat faces. When you increase the factor, the corners loosen up and the edges become smoother. Set factor to increase repeats to smooth the effect. It repeats the factor, making the deformation blend better instead of looking sharp. Now add a simple deform modifier. This will deform the mesh into shape. Set the angle to 360 degrees. X, twist the mesh horizontally. Set the axis Y. Y, twist it in the opposite horizontal direction. Set the axis to Z. Z twists it vertically. Press Shift-A, UV Sphere again. Right-click Shade Smooth, then press S to scale it. Press Alt-D to duplicate. Press G, Z to move it. Open Simple Deform. Change the axis to Y. Select the sphere and switch to Render Preview mode. Go to the Material tab, click on New, and set the base color. Change the surface from Principled BSDF to Emission, then pick your color. Go to the Render Properties and enable Ambient Occlusion, Bloom, and Screen Space Reflections. Go back to the Material settings and increase the emission strength. Apply the same material to another mesh. Set the surface emission, then choose a color. Set strength 5. You can use either an emission node or the emission inside Principled BSDF. Change the surface to Principled BSDF, then scroll down to the emission and increase the strength. Do the same on the other mesh as well. Change the surface to Principled BSDF, then scroll down, pick a color, and set the strength to. Increase the strength to 15. Select a sphere, then set the strength to 5. Select the camera, then press Insert on the numpad to activate it. Then press N to open the sidebar menu. Right-click, then click Insert Single Keyframe. Drag the playhead to frame 100, then set the end frame to 100. Set Rotation Z to 720 degrees. Insert Single Keyframe. Go back to frame 0, then press Space. Repeat the same steps, but keyframe the Y-axis. Animation feels slow at the start and end because Blender uses Bezier interpolation by default. Press Ctrl-Tab to switch to the graph editor. Expand Object Transform. Press A to select all keyframes. Then press T to open the interpolation menu and choose Linear. Do the same linear steps for the other mesh too. Now press Space. You'll see the movement is now smooth and linear, without slowing down at the start or end. After that, set the world color to black. Now go to Render Properties and open Bloom, then set the threshold to 6. Scroll down and open Color Management. Set View Transform from AgX to Standard. This is the final 3D stylized energy ball. You can see the glowing center with the energy lines moving around it, creating a nice stylized VFX. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.